Hi, I'm Chef Carol, and today I want to make the best cauliflower mash that I can imagine. Whenever I'm out at a restaurant and they have cauliflower mash on the menu, I order it, hoping that will be the day that I get a cauliflower mash that really resembles mashed potatoes. So what I'm going to do today is try to get there. So I have already taken a whole cauliflower and crushed it in a food processor, basically making cauliflower rice. I'm going to put that into a bowl. And to this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of water and a teaspoon of Kinder seasoning blend. So I'm using the salt, pepper, and garlic. Give it a little stir. And I'm going to add this to my cauliflower. I'm going to put it on the stove covered and let it cook for about 5 minutes until the water has drained and the cauliflower is tender. After that, I'm going to use 4 ounces of sour cream. I have a cup of a spicy Gouda. I have 2 slices of bacon chopped, and I have 3 tablespoons of butter that I'm going to add to this, and I'm going to whip it with my whisk, and I'm going to hope for very good results. The cauliflower has steamed, and you can see it's pretty dried out, and that's what you want. You don't want it watery. And the next thing I'm going to do is to add in the butter. This butter is at room temperature. I'm going to add in the sour cream, a little seasoning, take a taste test. I have a casserole dish that, of course, I have lined with parchment. You can certainly use any type of cheese that you want. I have used cheddar cheese. This is the first time I used a spicy cheese, and it is really quite interesting. So I'm just going to put this in the broiler for a few minutes, and then it'll be finished. The loaded cauliflower is complete. I placed it under the broiler just long enough for it to crisp on the top, just lightly browning it, and it will be a great side dish at any meal. I invite you to try it and let me know what you think. And as I love to say, bon appetit.